corner playing my guitar. You looked up to the way I sang, left a note with your number, and a scroll that said cliche of the day, saying, if birds could fly, they'd sing your name. I'm good to die just to know your face. If birds could fly, they'd sing your name. I was by window playing some guitar. You looked up to the way I sang, listened closely, then grabbed my hand. As we were spinning, I heard you say, if birds could fly, they'd sing your name. I'm good to die just to know your face. If birds could fly, they'd sing your name. Then you say, I wasn't sure if I get a moment with you. All this time it's occurred that this cannot be true, but I'm glad it is. I'm glad you said that. I was on your bed strumming your guitar. You looked up to the way I sang, some words from long ago, but they never made much sense. Screaming, if birds could fly, they'd sing your name. I'm good to die just to know your face. If birds could fly, they'd sing your name. But I don't speak bird anyway.